What's up, guys? This is your girl Charnice and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm on some Disney Channel shit. Like, you're watching Disney Channel. Before we start this video, I'm gonna ask you guys, please to subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 1K. And it would mean the world to me if you subscribed and kept rocking with me. And if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, and you can share with all your friends if applicable. As in, if you have friends. No, I'm kidding. If you love it and you think they will love it too, please go ahead and share it with them. So today is gonna be pretty quick, I hope. I'm going to share my unpopular opinion about why I believe that using grease on your locks is okay. Now, I'm going to start with the disclaimer so that you guys don't keep watching and be like, what is she gonna do? What is she finna do? What is she finna do? I do not retwist my locks with grease. Let's say this again. I do not take the grease and put it on my root and retwist with it. I don't do that. What I do though with my grease is I use it to grease my scalp. And I actually do this from probably the months of October to February. Let me tell you why I started doing this. So my hair breaks very easily. And as most of you know, the best way to like combat hair breakage is from the inside out. Most of the time, you know, if you drink lots of water, take fish oil supplements, omega-3s, omega-6s, you should be fine. But I naturally suffer from like really dry skin and my hair breaks off easily, especially when it's cold outside. So since I was young, I kind of never steered away from grease, using grease on my scalp, just because it's the only thing that works for me. Now, the grease that I use is Africa's Best and it has castor oil in it. And I posted this on my story a few weeks ago, I want to say, and people had lots of questions. So I'm here to answer them now. Does this leave residue on my hair? No. First of all, I don't think I use enough to get residue on my hair. And second of all, grease is not that thick, especially this grease. It has a nice thin consistency to it. It's thinner than my castor oil, so I like that. I love the smell. It has a nice light smell to it. And I love this grease specifically because it says it's a hair scalp conditioner. It conditions dry, brittle hair and gives it a vibrant sheen. And it's also made with pure shea butter. So they say. And so far, I haven't found that it is doing anything detrimental to my hair. And it really does keep my hair intact during these winter months. I'm telling you. I've tried the whole, oh, just use oils. I've tried it and my hair is just like, girl, where is the grease? Okay, again, like I said, it has a really thin consistency, really thin. It goes on very nicely and it doesn't leave buildup in my locks at all. It doesn't leave my locks feeling heavy or weighed down. As you can see, my hair has movement to it right now. I went ahead and used my Africa's Best grease on my scalp while I was braiding it, and I'm going to show you guys that now. If you have any more questions about this Africa's Best grease, please put it in the comment box and I will actually try to find this on Amazon and put it in my Amazon store. That will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. All right, guys, so these are the results of my braid out. I'm really loving it. As you can see, because I did not retwist my hair, my roots are very puffy, but it's still cute. It's still a look. And this will probably last me the rest of the week. And if I decide to braid it up again in the middle of the week, then it could last me even longer. But yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.